already.
Does she know this kid just keeps moving the goal? He's like laying in the goal.
Does Jilly know they're playing a game?
They're not playing a game. They're just standing there. Just the goal. This kid's like,
He's laying in the goal.
he's like in the goal, like trying to move.
They seem to know they're playing a game.
See?
The other team knows. Look at her team.
Not doing
Look
anything.
at Jillian's team. Look at the opposing team. Seems like an unfair matchup to me.
Oh, they already lost. There's already a goal.
Well, there you go.
Coach just threw the goal. Oh my god, this is a disaster. Where's Jilly?
She's right there dancing.
Dancing?
Go, Jilly. Jilly.
Hey, Jilly! Jilly, get the ball.
Oh, it's in the closet.
Jilly, hit the ball into the goal. Hit the ball into the goal. She's gonna take it in the ball.
What is she doing?
Jilly, hey, put it back. No, put it back. Use that. You're all using the same one. Put the ball back.
Oh, they're going to score another goal. Look.
Put it back.
2-0. 2-0.
Jillian. Come here. I want to tell you how to do this. Come here. Hey, what you need to do is you need to get the balls that are out there and try and put them in the goal, okay? Okay? Try and get one of the balls that are out there and try and hit it in the goal. Oh God.
Hit the ball!
Jilly, get a ball and hit the goal.
Get that ball, Jilly.
Jilly, get the ball. Get a ball.
Stick down.
Jilly, go get a ball and hit it in.